I'm telling you, people like the Spanish music. Oh, I'm sorry about that. Here we go. I was gonna play you guys today. I don't know the title of this song, alright? I'm serious. It's just on my keyboard, and I thought it was interesting how they made this song sound. So, I'm gonna play it for you guys today. Now tell me that wasn't a fun song. See you next time.